It's very important not to go on the rib cage too far down. That's going to be painful. You want to be up more towards your scapula, and it's just under your shoulder blade. You're going to feel a little bit of fiber movement, and that is your lat. On my rib cage, that's not comfortable. So I'm going to slide it up just a little bit more so that it's more under my scapula or shoulder blade, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to do a rocking action where it's back and forth like this. Really, all of the weight is at this point dispersed between my hip, which is on the floor, and the contact point of the roller and my lat. This arm, not really too much going on. And I can tell when I'm on the rib cage because that does not feel good. So I'm going to settle in right above the rib cage. I'm still on the ribs a little bit, but more where there's a lot more muscle mass underneath that scapula, my shoulder blade in the back. When I get on that, I'm just going to rock back and forth and do that nice action there.